In this module, we will talk about corporate social responsibility, why companies should engage in CSR. So, there are two important issues to CSR. The first thing is, do corporations have any social responsibility? Do they have to give something in return to the society, or they are purely in the market for profitability and for business? So, first, approaches to CSR vary from region to region and across the globe because every part of the globe have a different level of resources and different level of issues, ethical issues, moral issues, and have different legal rules and regulations that operate organizations. So one set of definition or one set of responsibility may be pertinent to some organizations in one region, but may not to others in other regions. So second, it is not clear why organizations adapt and promote CSR. The question is still in its infancy, that it is still after 20-30 years of research and work on corporate social responsibility, the question remains unanswered, that is it not clear why organizations adapt and promote corporate social responsibility. So it is because senior management is truly committed to helping the poor and the environment? Is it because of this reason organizations should promote corporate social responsibility? Or is it simply because it makes a good business sense? Why companies should involve in corporate social responsibility? Why they think about the society? Why they should give something in return to the society? Is there any responsibility on the corporate shoulders? You may say, yes, organizations or corporations, they should return something to the society. But the question is it the legal obligation? Is it the ethical or moral obligation? Or it is just their choice whether they engage or not engage in corporate social responsibility. So the question is tricky, and answer can be more trickier than that. That is it simply because it makes a good business sense? If it makes a good business sense, then are they doing something for themselves or for the society? We will look into these matters in this chapter in further detail. So this shift can be seen in a range of changing organizational priorities. For instance, sourcing more products ethically, example, the growing commitment to fair trade products. Or some more examples, because in the beginning of this chapter it is important to understand what is corporate social responsibility. So, for example, the child labor, is it the corporate social responsibility not to give labor to the children who are supposed to go to the schools? Or the resources they use to produce products, they should acquire those resources through ethical means. This is also a larger area or part of the larger area of corporate social responsibility. So, the implementation of diversity policies. So, now you can see that we are suddenly changing from the corporate social responsibility in terms of child labor and in terms of resources towards the diversity. So, diversity is also one of the element or one of the factor in the field of or in the area of corporate social responsibility. So, is it morally obligated on the organizations to manage diversity in their organizations? Equal opportunities legislation, should they offer equal opportunities to employees? Is it not their choice that they hire to whom whatsoever they want to hire, or they pay whatsoever they want to pay? That is capitalism. This is the market. You offer something. If somebody is willing to accept the job on that particular pay, that's it. If not, organizations will change their policies. So the increased use of environmental friendly policies that can have a less damage to the environment, or the increased use of recycled material. Some examples you might have observed in Pakistan in the recent past, that the government and organizations are trying to ban the use of plastic bags because they are detrimental for the environment. We will see that how organizations manage these responsibilities. Thank you.